Here's a good example to let you know that not every deal will work, okay? And there's a motivation in the reason why the seller is selling. She didn't want to have two mortgages, okay? So she bought the house, and then now she moved in with her boyfriend, and they don't want to have to, have two mortgages. So that's the reason why she wants to sell. She wants to sell very quickly, right? There's motivation there. But when it comes down to price, she wasn't motivated in price. That's why I'm telling you, sometimes motivation is one thing, but the price, numbers don't lie. And you can't push someone to be motivated, okay? So don't try to convince, or don't try to turn something that you cannot, right? Like, don't try to convert them. We're basically there to see if we can help, to see if we can work out a fair deal with them. If we can, that's great. If we cannot, not a problem. So in this call here, you'll be able to listen in to see how I'm able to, hey, maybe the better option for you is to do this. All right, and not to go with us. And obviously we end up, this one here, I'll end up having to just to keep it as a follow-up, because at this time, seller wants full retail and she's not budging on it at all. So I told her, hey, maybe we are not the best option, but I want you to understand, right? So I'm giving her all the perks so she understand when working with an investor that, we need to make some kind of a game when we buy the property, but also too is we're going to provide you with the hassle-free sale and all that. But then I present her with a low offer, right? With a very low offer from where she wanted. But the key is not to burn the bridge, right? So how do you present the offer and not burn the bridge where you'll be able to still keep that, relationship, so you can call them back and follow up with them and be able to see if maybe down the road something has changes where now you can actually turn that into a deal. And I have done that multiple times where they're not, really ready to go at this time. They want to test it out, try it, sell with an agent, whatever it is. And all of a sudden things changes 30 days, 60 days down the road, where we still have that good rapport with the seller, and boom, being able to link up and turn into the deal. So hopefully this call will add a lot of value to you, and to your life, and to your business. If it does, show your boy King Kong some love, and boom, smash that thumbs up. You're new to the channel, make sure to hit that bell notification. To smash that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification. And anyways, the best to you, take massive action. Remember, don't let anybody or anything hold you back from accomplishing your goals and your dreams. And let's go get this money. Enjoy the call. Ciao.
I see.
And we're wanting to do some major remodel at our house, so
Right.
we want to get rid of one mortgage so we can just focus on one household.
To be able to assist you with that. Now, as far as in time frame goes,
Anyway.
no problem. Okay, so I'll put notes on here. You want it to be 30 days or sooner. No problem. So let me go over the property really quick. So it's a 3-bedroom, 1 bath.
Yeah.
Almost 1,200.
And we have a quote for $4,700 plus tax from a guy, things that need to be done. Everything else in that house, we literally just did a major remodel on the entire thing. Our house, the bathroom, it's a new bathtub, new toilet, new vanity, and then we even redid the plumbing for the kitchen and the bathroom. So even the plumbing for the kitchen and bathroom have been redone.
Oh, wow. Okay, so plumbing.
So everything in there is like brand new.
Oh, wow.
The roof and like I said, about $8,000 worth of work.
Gotcha. Okay, appreciate it. Now, you mentioned that you had an offer on it. How long ago?
Well, the offer came in. We've been going. It was supposed to close on the 28th of August, but they backed out after the inspection because we was to pay their closing costs.
Yeah,
so I said, okay.
So what was their offer came in?
They came in. Well, it was the offer we were going back at would have been at $327.
Mm.
The agreed upon offer prior to inspection was $322.
Okay.
But then, like I said, once we were going to, repair the roof and everything else, we were going to raise it to 327. You have my realtor. I had her temporarily take it off the market because we are still looking at maybe doing the roof and the panel box. And so if we do, we will fix that and then relist it at 335.
Gotcha. Okay. Got it. Okay. I see. Okay. So now then let me ask you this. Obviously with us there's no realtor commissions. We're obviously we're investors, so we're willing to buy the property as is and be responsible for all the repairs, all the updates. So after the mortgage is paid off, if we cover all the closing costs, all the fee, including your excise tax, what is the least you would consider as a walkaway net to you is?
You're just going to have to give me a number, and I'll see if I agree to it or not, because I don't want to lowball myself. And obviously, if I can't get close to market value, I'm not hurting. I'm not in a point where I'm hurting to have to sell it.
Of course.
Yeah. So, so you're, like I said, I just need for you to make me an offer, and I will let you know whether I feel it's fair or not.
Sure. I know that you mentioned that you're asking about $283 for the property. Is that correct?
No, that's not what I'm asking. She asked me what's the minimum I need to make off of it, but when I told her that amount, I was in my mind still thinking all of the realtor fees and commissions and everything. So I was thinking off of that, this is where I need to be. But no, if I'm going to do it with you guys and not have anything, then I want more. That I want as much as I possibly can get out of it. Of course. Okay.
Yeah,
and there's no way I'm going to sell this for $283.
Sure. And I completely understand exactly where you guys put a lot of work into the property already. So maybe the best options for you, to fix up the roof and then put it on and get full market value out of it, because you've put so much time and work into the property already. I guess there's only one or two things left that needed to be done to the property. And the reason why I say that, because as an investor, we hope that you can understand that we do want to make some kind of a gain when we buy, but obviously we're willing to provide you with, a hassle, headaches-free sale. So if we pay, obviously we can't pay you retail value for the property because it wouldn't make sense for us. And I understand that, if the price is too low, it wouldn't make sense for you just to sell the property. But I think
if you were to offer, what would it be?
You're not gonna like it. I honestly don't think it's gonna make sense for you. But if you want to hear the offer, so after everything, we came up with where we're at is it's like $235.
$235? Yeah, no. Okay, that's fine.
So which mean after the mortgage is paid off and we pay all the closing costs of the fees, you would roughly walk away with, and I think so 228 minus 235, that gives you only a 7,000 in your pocket.
Yeah, no.
But yeah, I know. But for us, closing in the next 30 days or sooner won't be an issue. I think we can get that done for you.
No,
so
we're done. There's absolutely no way that I would do that.
So let me ask you this to take it back to my to my team manager. So if we cover everything and everything for you, do you know what's the bottom line that you would consider as a walkaway net to you is?
It would have to be a minimum of $300. Or
Gotcha.
like the price.
The purchase price $300. Got it. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for the opportunities. But I'll keep that in mind, and I'll have to let my team manager know either way. But if anything changes on your end, please let us know, okay?
All right, thank you.
Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.